Hi, I'm Priyanka Yoshikawa. Continuing from last time, we're bringing you the show from Kawasaki Robostage. This time, we'll be seeing robots that can fly and even draw portraits. Now I'm here at Kawasaki Robostage, and with me is Jan Hui-lan.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Is this a humanoid? Yes, it's called Kaleido, and it's a humanoid-type robot developed by Kawasaki Heavy Industries. It's about the same size as an adult male. What can this robot do? This was made to do work in place of people at disaster sites, for example, as well as in high places that may be dangerous for people. It's an impressive robot. Thank you. One of the features of Kaleido is that it's been designed to be very durable. It's a bipedal robot, so it could fall if the ground is uneven, but because the body is made strong, there's no need to worry about it becoming damaged. It's being developed right now to also be put to use in the nursing care field in the future. It's great that it can be used in all kinds of places. Ms. Jiang, this looks quite complex. What is it? This is called K Roboride, and it's an experience-type attraction integrating virtual reality and robotic arm movements. I see. Priyanka, let me ask you a question. Sure. Where do you think this big industrial robot is used? It's an industrial robot, so maybe for semiconductors? You're close. It's actually used on the production lines for cars. At our facility, it combines virtual reality images taken by a drone and recreates the tilt and vibration of flying. Is this something I can try? Absolutely. Do you want to give it a go? Yes, please. First, have a seat, then put on the seatbelt. Okay. Not too tight? It's okay. Can you see the image? Yes, it's okay. Okay, I'll start it up. Okay.
I have no idea what I'm on. Is this like a drone or something? Okay. Wow! Hey, what am I on? Wow! Bunch of robots. Ooh, Mount Fuji. Beautiful. Okay, where am I arriving? Oh, wow, 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 wow. No. Okay. Is that done? Well, I'm done. It was quite fast and it looked really real. I was flying everywhere. It's quite scary in a way. I couldn't see my legs at all, but it was really fun overall.
Ms. Jiang, this is a smaller, cuter type of robot. Yes, this is called Duaro and works alongside people. Together with people? Yes. As you can see, it's very compact for that purpose. I see. I thought it would be very dangerous for robots and people to be working so close together. They can. In the past, there was a general rule that industrial robots should primarily work segregated from people. But this robot was developed to work together with people. Try touching it. Wow, it's soft. Yes, it's a bit different from what you imagined, isn't it? It's wrapped in a soft cover so that people could bump into it and not be injured. What kinds of places is it used in? The tips of the arms can be interchanged with various attachments to do all kinds of work. So, for example, carrying onigiri rice balls or closing the lids of lunch boxes. Various types of work. Interesting. So it can be made to do certain aspects of work. Yes, we think it could help expand the style of work possible and share the same space as people and work together with them. Robots in the future will be able to completely automate processes and also, like this robot, work together with people. Very interesting. So I might be working together with a robot in the future. That's very possible. This robot is actually very good at doing something. What is it? The robot can draw a portrait of you. It can draw, wow. Can I get it to draw one of me? Sure, let me show you. It looks like the same robot. It is. It's the same type as the one you saw, and this one will draw a portrait using a picture. It drew those? Yes. Would you like one of yourself? Yes, please. This way, please. Please stand in the red section. Okay. Wow. It feels like I'm going to get my portrait done by an artist. Okay, it's going to take a picture. Look at the camera. Can I smile? Of course. 3, 2, 1. Hold still. Okay, thank you. Is this picture okay? Yes. And this is it. What? It looks like I'm bald. I don't look cute. If that's okay, then please push the start button and the robot will start drawing. So, as you can see, it can work in the same space as people without a safety barrier. I see. Meaning I can do other work in the same space. Exactly. It has 2 arms, so both move simultaneously to draw and write words. It generally takes about 3 to 4 minutes. It's handing me the picture. Yes, it turns the paper in your direction and hands it to you.
It's done. How does it look? It kind of looks like me, yeah? Maybe I'll like add some colors. I'm happy.
I got to experience all kinds of robots today. Thank you. It was a lot of fun. Thank you.